Hello, everyone! Welcome to Leban Machinery. Stop using outdated 8K mirror polishers. This machine doubles your efficiency and saves 50% power. The 8K stainless steel sheet market is divided into 3 categories: standard, precision, and ultra-precision. Ultra-precision sheets can only be polished one at a time, not in rolls. We are changing all of that. The 3rd generation 8K mirror roll polishing machine is designed for both precision polishing. One machine replaces traditional multi-step processes. Single motor drives multiple polishing heads, making it more compact. Rotary plus planetary motion ensures no dead spots in polishing. Pneumatic plus spring pressure ensures consistent polishing force. Fully enclosed motor structure for corrosion resistance and long lifespan. Join the new era of precision 8K mass production. Choose a mature, stable, low-consumption polishing solution. Contact us for machine trials and technical discussions. Call me